Welcome friends. In this video I am going to tell about how split lines function is going to be work. Split line function means inside the string if there is a new line character is hit. Okay, if there is a new line character is going to be hit, then the string is converted to the multiple lines. Okay, that is called a line break also, and written in the form of a list. Okay, so let's see. Text equal to my website name is Lingaraj Tech Hub. Okay, then x equal to text dot x equal to text dot split lines. Okay, then print x, then see what is going to be happen. Python split lines underscore str underscore fun dot py. Okay, let's see the entire statement within the double quote means all the strings when the new line is going to be hit and the statements are going to be break converted to the in the list form and written in the multiple words or multiple sentences. Okay, multiple lines. My website name is comma then Lingaraj Tech Hub. Okay, so this is the way how split lines is going to be work. If you take another example also, I will give and show you another example. Text equal to my health drink is apple juice. Okay, my health drink is apple juice. New line, always drink on morning in breakfast. Okay, so x equal to text dot split lines, print x. Fine, when it going to be run, see my health drink is apple juice, always drink on morning in breakfast. Fine, it is separated. That when the hit the new line, the entire string is separated two lines. First line is my health drink is apple juice and always drink on morning in breakfast. Fine, so this is the way how split lines is going string function is going to be work. If you have a further any doubt, go through the comment box, type there. Please like the video, share this video also, click on the subscribe button, click also bell icon. When I am uploading any future videos, you will get notifications. Thank you.